The top 5 benefits to building your personal branding strategy. Personal branding has numerous benefits. The quality of your branding is the make or break of your venture. Good personal branding helps you to build a strong following and maximize the potential of your target audience, and should be one of the first parts of outlining a business strategy for any serious entrepreneur. The idea that having a brand is something that is exclusive to the business world is an outdated belief. In this day and age, everyone has a brand, and forming a good personal brand is the cornerstone of success. This presentation will share 5 of the top benefits of creating a good personal branding strategy. 1. The impression that good brands leave on audiences. People want the story behind a brand. They want to know the who, what, where, when, why, and how of you. Your audience wants to know why they should care about what you have to offer them, and building a strong brand makes it abundantly clear that you are the best of the best. The impression on your followers is everything and should be top of your mind. 2. It makes you credible. If you have good personal branding, it makes you seem confident and therefore credible. Potential audiences want to follow someone who is reliable and that they know they can trust. 3. Easy to find. If you have a brand, you are significantly easier to find in amongst all the jumble online. Do you have any idea how hard it would be to search for that guy doing that thing? You need to be easy for people to find you, or else they will just give up. Do not make it disorganized. Make sure that your usernames are all relevant and are all the same. If that is not possible, it is recommended that you make them really similar or try and find something else. For this reason, it is usually better that you try and claim all your usernames and profiles before committing to a brand. You also need to ensure that there are easy links between all your media pages. Play test them yourself too to make sure there are no error pages or broken links. It is also worth setting up contact pages. Your audience will want to interact with you, whether in a comment section or more privately by email. Give them options. 4. It is easier for branding to get featured or identified. Not only is it easier for exposure opportunities, but other people within the business to feature you and your work, it is easy for your audience to find your content specifically in their newsfeed or inbox. Having a brand helps you stand out. The ability to get featured in another person's content is the hallmark of strong branding. Other brands running profiles on you is a great way to grow your own audience. And strong branding makes you easily identifiable. 5. It will last. Businesses fail. Brands last. It keeps you in people's minds for longer than the time they spend looking at your content. When someone thinks of your niche, you want them to also think of you. Having strong personal branding is essential to remaining at the top of your audience's mind. Remaining top of mind is the goal of any business, and strong personal branding is the easiest way to achieve this and stand out from the crowd.